Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. I am in Florida. I'm in Miami and it's so nice out here. It's so sunny. I'm loving the lighting that I'm getting right now. I did bring my ring light. I'm gonna show you guys this ring light. Oh my god, it's amazing. It's so good for traveling. It's the Glamcor ring light. Galileo, I think it's called. So I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out. And yeah, it's amazing for traveling. Totally recommend looking into it if you're into content creating, or even if you just want to create content from home. Definitely recommend checking it out. So today I'm going to be trying the GHD Curve, this thin wand. So this is a 0.5 inch wand, and I'm going to try this on my natural curls. As you can see, this is what my hair looks like when I just curl it and use curly hair products on it. Some of these curls on this side are not that defined, so I'm really looking forward to trying this on my natural curls to see if maybe this can enhance my curls and this could make my hair just look a lot more nice and the curls more defined. I actually used living proof hair products today to curl my hair. I'm gonna put a TikTok right here where I show you guys how I use the products. And wow, those products are amazing. By the way, if you're not following me on TikTok or Instagram, definitely follow me. I post a lot of mini videos on there that I do not post on YouTube, so definitely follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I am always posting on there like every single day. I love it. But yeah, I use the living proof products to curl my hair today, and then I use a diffuser to dry it from T3 Micro. I use the T3 Fit, and yeah, my hair's completely dry, so I'm gonna try to put a little bit of heat and see if this can define the curls even more, because I am gonna go out tonight to a really nice restaurant and I really want my curls to be super nice and defined. So yeah, let's try this. So I'm gonna turn this on. You can only really use this in one heat setting, which is 365 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is the heat setting that GHD recommends to put on your hair. I feel like if you have thin hair and if you want to put the heat setting down a little bit, that might be an issue and you might not like that you can't really change the heat setting with GHD hair tools. And I do notice that sometimes I want to put the heat setting up a little bit to maybe like 410 or even 450. 450 is too much, but that's something else that I can't do with GHD hair tools. So yeah, I mean, but I like the 365, and for the most part it works super well with my hair type, and I really like it in a curling wand as well, because I don't really think you need a super high heat setting for a curling wand. I really just want a higher heat setting when I'm straightening my hair, like straight from pretty curly hair. But yeah, let's get right into it. I'm going to divide my hair, and I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. This side doesn't really need much help. This side definitely does. Okay, so I'm going to take one of these curls right here in the front, and I'm just going to try to curl it. This is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna try to give it a little bit of definition with the wand. So I'm just wrapping the hair around the wand, and I'm literally gonna leave it there for like 3 seconds and not a lot, and then I'm just gonna release the curl. Ooh, beautiful! I love it. Wow, it actually looks like my natural curls, like my natural curl pattern. It's like 3B curls kind of. So this size is perfect for my hair type. This needs a little bit of love right here, so I'm gonna just very quickly wrap the hair around the wand, leave it there for about 3 seconds, and then release the curl. You don't need to leave it on for too long. Wow, that is beautiful. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one. I'm just gonna do the ones that need the most love. And then I'll show you guys the final look. But so far, wow, look at that. Beautiful. So far, loving this. I actually tried this on straight hair, and it's really, really nice for straight hair as well. So if you want to check out that video, I'll link it down below. But yeah, so far, ooh, beautiful. Oh my god, I am like in love with these curls. I'm being so loud. Yeah, I feel like, yeah, let me do some in the back here, some more, and then I'm just gonna do mostly like the top sections. I have another one that's very similar to this one that I use sometimes. It's from Kiposi, and it only cost me like 20 bucks on Amazon. And I don't know if I should do like a side-by-side comparison of the Kiposi and this one, which by the way, this one is $200. So expensive. But GHD hair tools are so worth it. Oh my god, guys, this hotel did not have hot water, and I was freezing washing my hair this morning, but it's fine. We're in Miami, and I just really like the location that we're in. We're like in South Beach, and we're literally like beachfront, so we can walk to the beach. It's super nice. Yeah, I love how this is looking so far. I mean, I know that this side was a little bit better to begin with, but it's looking super nice and defined. Love it. Now I'm gonna do this side. This is the side that needs the most help. Let's get right into this side. You see this right here? That's not cute. Okay. Beautiful. I'm gonna do this one right here. I love how this just quickly curls your hair. Like, you don't have to wait too long. It just gives you a quick curl. So I'm almost done with this section, and then I'll do the top. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this top section, which is the one that needs the most help. Definitely gotta touch up some of these curls in the front right here. I don't know why, but this section does not curl that much, and it's just, it sucks. But wow, look at that curl. So beautiful. It looks so natural. Like, look, before and after. Like, come on. This hair tool is amazing for natural curls. Honestly though, I would just use this more if I'm going out and if I really want to, you know, enhance my curls, but I wouldn't really use this every day. Like, if I just want to leave my hair natural, and if I'm just chilling, maybe I'll go run some errands, or even just like do something simple, then I'll just leave my hair how it was in the beginning of the video, just like natural, even if some curls don't curl that much. But it's not like I'm gonna be doing this every single time I curl my hair, because that's also not good. You want to let your curls just bounce back naturally, and by putting heat on it, you know, that's not gonna help. I think I'm almost pretty much done with this side. As you can see, I definitely had to do a little bit more of work on this side, but I think it looks pretty natural so far. And if you like break up the curls a little bit, it'll look super natural. Wow, I am in love with these curls. I gotta break them up a little bit more. But yeah, so far, I want to do this one right here. So far, I love it. Okay, so I love my curls, love how they turned out. I'm gonna add a little bit of this oil from Living Proof. This is the Curl Moisturizing Shine Oil, and we're just gonna break up the curls really. It's gonna add even more shine, and breaking up the curls is gonna add a little bit more volume as well. So here are the curls. I definitely really like how everything turns out. I feel like this hair tool is a must-have if you like tight curls. I mean, even if you have a different hair texture, different curl pattern, I feel like you will definitely like this. You can use it on your natural curls, or you can use it on like pretty straight hair. You can blow it out and then use this wand. But yeah, definitely recommend. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Let me know if you liked it. I'm gonna link down below all the products that I mentioned in this video, all the Living Proof products, and the GHD hair tool. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know if you like videos like this, like when I'm traveling and stuff, just very like chill, kind of like vlog style. Not really, but let me know if you guys want more videos like this, maybe even more vlogs. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.